So today we are going to be making a fortune teller, so let's begin. Materials that you will need are a white piece of paper, 4 different colors, a pencil, and scissors. First step is to fold your top left-hand corner down so that it will make a right triangle. Next, you will cut this rectangle off. The third step is to unfold them and make it so it looks like a diamond, and then fold this top corner down to the bottom corner. And crease, and then fold it back out and turn it so that it looks like a square. Then fold this part down to the bottom. And crease. Then you will have points that are showing where the middle is. Next, you are going to fold this side down to the bottom. And now the creases make a star. Now you're going to fold this corner into the middle. And crease. Then do the same to all 3 of the other corners. Then flip it over and do the same to these. Now, fold the top down to the bottom and push down. Then, put your fingers in the paper like this, and then you will have a fortune teller. You're going to fast forward all of the coloring. Next, you will flip it over and write numbers on each of these triangles. And we will fast forward that. The very last step is to write fortunes. You can make your own or copy mine. One of your fortunes could be, you will grow a beard. Then your next one could be, life will change. Or another one could be, you will find a Your fifth one could be you will have 3 children when you grow up. And your sixth one could be tomorrow you will eat a big bowl of ice cream. Your seventh could be the next morning kittens will be your favorite animal. One more could be on your birthday, you will not gain a number, you will lose a number. And your last one will be tomorrow you will have a garden and now you are complete with your fortune teller. How you use a fortune teller is ask someone to pick a color of red, yellow, blue, or pink. It doesn't have to be those colors. It just has to be the colors that you chose to put on this part of the paper. And let's say they choose red. So you will spell out the letters of red and move the fortune teller as you spell. R-E-D. Then you will ask them to pick a number. And let's say they pick 7. You will say, you will count to 7 while moving the fortune teller. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you ask them again, pick a number. So let's say they pick 5. So you will count out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you ask them one last time to pick one more number. And let's say they pick 0. So you will fold up the flap of 0 and say what the fortune says. This one says, the next morning, kittens will be your favorite animal. And that will be your fortune. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.